सभापति जी।
Honorable members, today is the leader of the opposition, Sriman Mallikarjun Khargeji's birthday. On behalf of the entire house and on my own behalf, I wish him a very long, healthy and happy life. Many happy returns of the day, Khargeji. I am sure his leadership will guide as an exemplary inspiration for the young leaders to have faith in the Constitution, democracy, and the integrity of the nation. Honorable members, I may also inform that birthday greetings and brief biodata of members whose birthdays fall on a particular day is also being displayed on the Sansad TV regularly. So we all wish him very happy birthday, Ji. Namaskar. Papers to be laid on the table, Sriman Pratap Rao Jadhav जी।
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सन्मुख उल्लेखित विषय से संबंधित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान पंकज चौधरी जी।
सभापति जी, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने मत संख्या 1 ख पर वर्णित कागजात आपकी अनुमति से सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमान BL वर्मा जी, ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ श्रीमती निम्बूपन जयंती बाई बम्बानिया जी।
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 82 पर अपने साथी राज्य मंत्री श्रीमती नींबूबेन जयंतीबाई बामणिया जी के नाम के सम्मुख अंकित प्रपत्र सभापति पर रखता हूं।
Report on the Committee on Subordinate Legislation, Sriman Milan Murli Devraji.
Sir, I rise to present the 257th report in Hindi and English of the Committee on Subordinate Legislation as mentioned in today's list of business against my name.
Statement of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Housing and Urban Affairs, Sriman Ram Rao Sagaram Bhatkude ji.
Sir, I rise to lay the final action taken the statement of the government on the recommendation and observation obtained in the chapter 1st and 5th of the second report of the Lok Sabha Department related Standing Committee on Housing and Urban Affairs on action taken by the government on the recommendation and observation contained in the 21st report 17th Lok Sabha of the Committee of the Smart Cities Mission and elevation listed against my name in today's list of the business.
Sriman Jagat Prakash Nadda ji to move a motion for appointment of one member to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhubaneswar.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise to move that in pursuance of Section 4, bracket G, read in Section 6, bracket 3 of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Act 1956, as amended by the All India Institutes of Medical Sciences Amendment Act 2012. This House do proceed to elect in such a manner as directed by the Chairman, one member from amongst the members of the House to be a member of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhubaneswar, in the vacancy caused due to the retirement of Srimati Mamta Mohanta from the membership of Rajya Sabha on 2nd April 2026, subject to the provision of the Act.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Dr. L. Murugan to move a motion for appointment of 2 members to the Joint Committee on the Constitution, 129th Amendment Bill 2024 and the Union Territories Laws Amendment Bill 2024.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to move the motion that this House concurs in the recommendation of the Lok Sabha that the Rajya Sabha do appoint 2 members of Rajya Sabha to the Joint Committee on the Constitution, 129th Amendment Bill 2024 and the Union Territories Law Amendment Bill 2024 in the vacancies caused by the retirement of Sri Saket Gokhale and Sri Bhuvaneswar Kalita from the membership of the Rajya Sabha, and communicate to the Lok Sabha that the names of the members so appointed by the Rajya Sabha to the Joint Committee, and resolve that Sri Manmohan Samal and Srimati Sagarika Ghosh be appointed to the said Joint Committee to fill the vacancies.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Only 1 minute. Ji, only 1 minute. I'm coming to you. Please, 1 minute. I'm coming to you. I have to inform members that the communication has been received from Srimati P.T. Usaji, member stating that she is unable to attend the sittings of the current 271st session of Rajya Sabha from 20th July to 4th August 2026, since she has been entrusted with the responsibility of leading Indian contingent to Glasgow to 2026 Commonwealth Games. Does she have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 20th July to 4th August 2026 during this current 271st session of Rajya Sabha? Permission to remain absent is granted. Yes, Ji.
धन्यवाद सर आपको मुझे 4 शब्द बोलने का मौका आपने बोलो और क्या बोलना है तो मौका आपने दिया कि कल एक बहुत दुर्दैवी घटना हो गई और वो दुर्दैवी घटना में हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स पेपर लीक और नीट एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में जो आवाज उठा रहे हैं उनके ऊपर लाठीचार्ज किए, टीयर गैस किए, उनको मारे और हॉस्पिटल में सुनना चाहिए।